Hi everyone, welcome to MR Learning Circle. I hope everyone is fit and fine and doing good in their lives. So this is the 10th lecture of our MCQ series, and in this we are going to cover the prokaryotic cell structure and function part 2. I hope you all have watched the previous videos, and if not, the playlist is mentioned here above. And to get the ebook, you just go in the description box of the channel. You can get the payment link and you could just go and get your ebook. That ebook would be very helpful for you all, and it has short notes about microbiology, all the chapter wise notes according to your GATE syllabus, as well as it has the topic wise MCQs along with the answers and explanation. Go get your copy and prepare well for your exams. So now let's start. First topic is flagella and pili capsules. So the first question is, which of the following bacterial structures is primarily responsible for motility? Your options are A. Capsule, B. Flagella, C. Pili, D. Fimbriae. Easy question. The correct answer for this question is option B. Flagella. Question number 2. The bacterial flagellum is composed mainly of which protein? Your options are A. Peptidoglycan, B. Flagellin, C. Tubulin, D. Actin. Correct answer for this question is B. Flagellin. Question 3. Which of the following arrangement of flagella describes Vibrio cholerae? Your options are A. Peritrichus, B. Amphotrichus, C. Lophotrichus, D. Monotrichus. Correct answer for this question is option D. Monotrichus. Question 4. Which structure helps in bacterial conjugation? Options are A. Fimbriae, B. Capsule, C. Sex pilus, D. Flagellum. The correct answer for this question is option C. Sex pilus. Question 5. Which of the following statement about bacterial capsule is true? Options are capsules are composed mainly of lipids, B. Capsule enhance bacterial motility, C. Capsules protect bacteria from phagocytosis, D. Capsules are involved in protein synthesis. The correct answer for this question is option C, that is capsule protect bacteria from phagocytosis. Question 6. Which staining method is used to visualize bacterial capsules? Options are A. Gram stain, B. Negative stain with India ink, C. Acid fast stain, D. Flagella stain. The correct answer for this question is option B. Negative stain with India ink. Question number 7. Which of the following best differentiates pili from fimbriae? Options are A. Pili are longer and fewer in number than fimbriae, B. Fimbriae are involved in motility, C. Pili are used for nutrient uptake, D. Both are equal in length and function. Correct answer for this question is option A. Pili are longer and fewer in number than fimbriae. Question number 8. In E. coli, the rotation of flagellar motor is powered by. Options are A. ATP hydrolysis, B. proton motive force, C. sodium ion gradient, and D. osmotic pressure difference. So the correct answer for this question is option B. proton motive force. Question 9. The amphitrichous flagellar arrangement means. Options are A. Flagella all over the surface, B. Single flagellum at one pole, C. Tuft of flagella at both poles, D. Single flagellum at both poles. The correct answer for this question is option D. Single flagellum at both poles. Question 10. Capsules contribute to virulence by A. Enhancing motility, B. Promoting adhesion and immune evasion, C. Degrading host enzyme, D. Facilitating endospore formation. Correct answer for this question is option B. Promoting adhesion and immune evasion. Next topic is cell inclusions like endospores and gas vesicles. So first question is, endospores are formed by certain bacteria primarily for Options are A. Reproduction, B. Protection against unfavorable condition, C. DNA exchange between cell, and D. Nitrogen fixation. So the correct answer for this question is option B. Protection against unfavorable conditions. Now question number 2. Which of the following genera are known for producing endospores? Options are A. Bacillus and Clostridium, B. Pseudomonas and E. coli, C. Streptococcus and Lactobacillus, D. Vibrio and Rhizobium. Correct answer for this question is option A. Bacillus and Clostridium. Question number 3. The high resistance of bacterial endospores to heat and chemicals is mainly due to option A. High water content in the core, B. Presence of calcium dipicolinate and small acid soluble spore protein, that is SASP. Option C. Thick lipid membrane, D. High metabolic activity. So the correct answer for this question is option B. Presence of calcium dipicolinate and small acid soluble spores protein. Question 4. The position of endospores within the bacterial cell is useful for species identification. A terminal spore is typically seen in. Options are A. Bacillus subtilis, B. Clostridium tetani, C. Clostridium perfringens, D. Bacillus anthracis. The correct answer for this question is option B. Clostridium. So Clostridium tetani produces a terminal spore, giving the cell wall the characteristic drumstick appearance. Okay. Question number 5. Gas vesicles in aquatic prokaryotes function to. Options are A. To store gases for respiration, B. Provide buoyancy and positioning in water columns, C. Serve as energy reserve, D. Protect from UV radiation. So the correct answer for this question is option B. Provide buoyancy and positioning in water columns. Now question number 6. Gas vesicles are composed mainly of. Options are A. Polysaccharides, B. Lipids, C. Protein, that is GVPA and GVPC, and D is nucleic acid. So the correct answer for this question is option C. Protein, GVPA and GVPC. Question number 7. During endospore germination, which event occurs first? Options are DNA replication, option B. Outgrowth, C. Activation followed by cortex hydrolysis, C. Protein synthesis. The correct answer for this question is option C. Option C. Activation followed by cortex hydrolysis. Question number 8. Inclusions such as polyhydroxybutyrate, that is PHB granules, serve as. Options are A. Energy and carbon reserves, B. Storage of phosphate ions, C. Osmoregularity vesicles, D. Enzymatic vesicles. So the correct answer for this question is option A. Energy and carbon reserves. Question 9. Volutin granules, that are metachromatic granules, and they are composed of. Options are A. Calcium carbonate, B. Polyphosphate, C. Polysaccharide, D. Lipids. The correct answer for this question is option B. Polyphosphate. Question 10. Gas vesicles are absent in which of the following organism? Options are A. Anabaena, B. Halobacterium, C. E. coli, D. Microcystis. So the correct answer for this question is E. coli. That is option C. So that was all for this lecture. I hope you have learned something from this video, and if you have, then please like, share and do comment down. And thank you for watching. Keep studying.